Hi guys, once again we are bringing you another set of the coolest gadgets from Aliexpress and Amazon sites, which helps you to choose the right products easily. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell. So let's get stat read. Number 1. Pilot Automotive WH553-16 SBS 16-inch Spider Black and Silver Universal Hubcap wheel covers for cars, set of 4, fits most cars. Oh, please ensure your vehicle is equipped with steel wheels. Wheel covers and hubcaps will not fit on alloy wheels. Note, kindly refer the video available below the images for installation guidance and user manual available below for product assistance. Number 2. BYN AUR Trim Removal Tool, Fastener Remover Toolkit Automotive Interior Plastic Pry Kit, Car Door Panel Tool Radio Auto Clip Pliers Removal Toolkit, Red. Universal Auto Trim Removal Tools, High Quality Terminal Removal Toolkit is suitable for automotive, boats, RVs, trucks or furniture trim removal and installation, including car audio radio, door panels, window trims, clips, fasteners, automotive interior repairing and furniture restoration. Number 3. Rapid XX5 car charger with 5 USB ports for iPhone and Android Blue, 5 intelligent USB ports, detects your device and delivers the fastest possible charge. Fast charging, 5-foot cable up to 2.4 amps per port or 10.8 amps overall, works with 12V 24V vehicle outlets and cigarette lighter. Sleek and modern design, charges up to twice the speed of most chargers. Does not support Qualcomm Quick Charge, but the X5 will still charge your device at the maximum output of 2.4 amps. Number 4. Autocar license plate automobile, license plate frames, for use with any standard vehicle. 1 PCS Black K products with electrical plugs are designed for use in the US. Outlets and voltage differ internationally, and this product may require an adapter or converter for use in your destination. Please check compatibility before purchasing. Number 5. Magnetic Finger, the original magnetic finger glove, hold and retrieve any small ferrous metal object with precise control. Convenient magnetic pickup tool, ideal for tight spots at home or on the job. Power at your fingertips, a handy magnetic pickup tool with a powerful magnet embedded at the tip to hold or retrieve small, ferrous, metal objects with precise control. Effortlessly complete tasks such as safely holding a nail in place or positioning a screw. Number 6. Joyudo Phone Holder Solar Mount Cell Phone Accessories for Tesla, solar battery charging, electric opening and induction closing, creative gift, fit for Model 3 Model Y cars. Specially customized for the Tesla Model 3 Y. With a patented fastening solution, the holder can securely lock into any position on the Tesla dashboard. Stable and robust, no noise will be generated during driving, nor will it damage the dashboard. It can be easily installed and removed in just 3 seconds, providing a hassle-free experience. Number 7. Schwangtech Rear Wiper Sticker for Cars, Dog Waving Paw Wiper Tag Car Wiper Sticker, Dog Waving Wiper Sticker Decal for SUV Rear Window Windshield, Yellow Dog Wiper Sticker. Funny Car Sticker. This funny animal stickers can be affixed to the rear window of the car. The dog paw can be attached to the rear windshield wiper. As the rear windshield wipers work, it wags its paw without blocking the view. Number 8. Crossed Tornado Cleaning Gun, High-Pressure Car Cleaning Gun Universal Interior. The latest version, exclusively designed for American car owner. High-pressure cleaning gun works with your air compressor to produce enormous power and blast cleaning solution into crevices you can't reach by hand. Compatibility, fit for most air compressors and air tools. Car cleaning gun works best with an air compressor that produces a constant air pressure of at least 60 psi. Number 9. Killa 4th Gen LED Performance Steering Wheel Race Digital Display Shift Indicator Lights OBD2 Module Kits. Easy to use. After installation, first ignite and start the car, and press the left and right buttons at the same time to turn on. When the LCD display shows that you want a match, you only need to press and hold the button on the smart module to realize the matching connection. After connecting once, it can be used forever. Number 10. Philips GoPure GP5212 High Performance HEPA Air Purifier for Car, removes up to 100 pollutants, exhaust fumes, VOCs, smoke, bad odors, bacteria and viruses. HEPA filter with HESA layer. Philips' unique Select Filter Plus technology includes a HESA layer. This decontaminates your car of harmful gaseous chemicals. Through a powerful absorption and oxidation process, it removes harmful gaseous substances such as car exhaust fumes, chemicals emitted by plastic materials and other odor-emitting substances, toluene and formaldehyde. Number 11. Levoit Air Purifier for Home Allergies Pets Hair in Bedroom, HEPA filter, covers up to 1095 square foot powered by 33W high torque motor, remove dust smoke pollutants, 0.3 microns, Core 300, white. High performance, enjoy fresh air in 12 minutes with the Core 300 HEPA Air Purifier. Featuring Vortex Air technology, 360 degrees air intake, and CADR of 141 CFM 240 cubic meters H, Core 300 can purify air of a 1,095 square feet space once in 1 hour. The higher the CADR of an air purifier, the larger its purification area. Number 12. Touch-Up Paint for Cars, Car Touch-Up Paint Silver Fill Paint Pen Automotive Scratch Repair 2-in-1, Easy and Quick Car Scratch Remover. Protection for your car. Scratches on the car are not only annoying but also accelerate the rusting of the metal under the paint. Our Touch-Up Paint for Cars can perfectly repair any scratches and keep your car surface beautiful and natural. Number 13. Germ Guardian GG1100W 7-inch pluggable small air purifier, small room wall air sanitizer, freshens air, UVC light kills germs, reduces odors from pets, cooking, mold. Germ Guardian, 1-year WTY. Pluggable air sanitizer provides cleaner air and helps reduce airborne germs and reduce household odors caused by bacteria, pets, and cooking fumes. Compact design. This 7-inch wall pluggable sanitizer is perfect for the kitchen, litter box room, bathroom, or children's room. Number 14. NewWave Portable Air Purifier, H13 True HEPA and Carbon Filter, Dual 3-stage air filtration, up to 1,130 square feet, captures 99.97% of particle, pet allergies, dust, smoke. Energy Star certified. High Performance Air Purifier. The portable True HEPA air purifier can purify large rooms, such as bedrooms, living rooms, kitchens, and basements. Purify a 403 square feet room 3x per hour and a 1,130 square feet room 1x per hour. Number 15. NewWave OxyPure Smart Air Purifier, Extra Large Room, HEPA with 5-stage filtration system, monitors air quality and adjusts 6 fan speeds for optimal purification, for extra HEPA carbon filters. Washable and reusable filter technology. Never Rust stainless steel pre-filter and BioGuard filter are washable and reusable up to 20 years. Ozone emission removal filter is reusable up to 20 years. They were designed to eliminate costly replacements.